Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the PSAT. This is Chapter 11, Lesson 65. Now we turn to places. The names of particular places, cities, states, rivers, and streets are proper nouns, and proper nouns take a capital. Let's learn which words earn that capital. Let's start with the clearest case. The name of one particular place gets a capital. That covers cities, like Tulsa, states, like Vermont, countries, like Chile, and whole continents, like Asia. Each is the name of one specific place on the map, a proper noun, so each begins with a capital letter. Now the contrast. A general place word, not a name, stays lowercase. A river, any river at all, is common, so it's small. But give it a name, the Nile River, and it becomes a proper noun with capitals. The same goes for that mountain, lowercase, versus Mount Everest, the name of one particular peak. So the rule is about names. Name the specific place and it earns a capital. The capital reaches more than cities and states. Capitalize the names of bodies of water and geographic features, like Lake Erie and the Gulf of Mexico. The words lake and gulf are part of the name, so they're capitalized too. The same rule covers streets, buildings, and monuments, like Maple Avenue and Route 66. Here's the trickiest part, and the heart of this lesson. Capitalize a direction word only when it names a region, a specific part of the country. The South, the Midwest. Those are regions, real places, so they take a capital. But when the very same word just points a compass direction, leave it lowercase. Drive south, the west side of town. There it only tells which way, so it stays small. Region, capital. Plain direction, lowercase. Let's gather it into a quick check. For any place word, ask, is this the name of one particular place? If yes, give it a capital. If it's just a general word, like a river or that mountain, leave it lowercase. And remember the special case. A region of the country gets a capital, but a plain compass direction does not. Named place, capital. General word or direction, lowercase. Let's try a few. In this first set, each sentence has one place word that should begin with a capital letter, but doesn't. Find the particular named place and choose it. Pause and try each one before I answer. The settlers crossed the Appalachian Mountains. Settlers and crossed are ordinary words, but Appalachian Mountains is the complete name of one particular range, a geographic feature. Names of features are capitalized, so the answer is Appalachian. One famous American port is New Orleans. Famous and port are general words, but New Orleans is the name of one particular city, and a city name is a proper noun. Both parts of the name take a capital, so the answer is new. Many companies are now moving to the Sun Belt. Companies and moving are common words, but the Sun Belt names a specific region of the country, not just a direction. A named region is a proper noun, so the answer is sun. Now choose the version with correct capitalization. Watch the difference between a named region and a plain compass direction, and between a name and a common noun. Pause and try each one. Many people moved west for a better life. Here, the word west tells which way people traveled. It's a plain compass direction, not the name of a region. A direction stays lowercase, so the answer is the version with lowercase west. We live near the shores of Lake Erie. The word shores is a common noun, so it stays lowercase. But Lake Erie is the name of one particular body of water, and lake is part of that name. So the answer is the version with capital Lake Erie. She moved to Western Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania is a state name, so of course it's capitalized. But Western here just describes a direction within the state. It isn't part of a region's name, so Western stays lowercase. So the answer is Western Pennsylvania. Let's wrap up. Capitalize the names of particular places, cities, states, countries, and continents, bodies of water and features, and streets, buildings, and monuments. Every important word in the name takes a capital, but a general place word, like a river or that mountain, stays lowercase. And the key distinction of this lesson: capitalize a direction word when it names a region, like the South or the Midwest, but not when it's just a compass direction, like drive south. Great work.